Hello everyone. In this section of our video, I am going to cover stress and stress management. We often come to the situation where we hear that a person saying that I am stressed. Now the term stress has been derived from a Latin word called stratus. Stratus refers to drawn tight situation. Yes, if we talk about stress, it gives a mental strain. Stress is all about related to the psychological factor, or it is totally related to the activity which is done by the mind. Now it depends up to you that you are taking stress as a positive, in a positive way, or in a negative sense, or in a negative way. Stress is the process which deprives a person from its day-to-day activity or day-to-day conducts or operations, or it can or it may become hindrance in their day-to-day activity. There can be different causes of stress. It can be the organizational cause, it can be the economical cause. Economical cause refers to the cause which leads you to give stress or give anxiety in relation to creation of wealth. It may be the adverse business cycle condition. It may be the fluctuations in the demand. It may be some other economical causes which may giving you stress. And there can be the political causes also, there can be the sociological causes also, and there can be psychological causes and many more. Now the comes, can we categorize stress only a negative process, or is it a negative activity which we can comprise? No. It depends up to us only then whether we take a stress as a negative process or we can take it as a positive process. The conduct or the activity or the stress which results in betterment of a performance of an individual, that known as a eustress. Eustress is a positive term in which a person get highly motivated, or it keeps a person motivated to perform in a better way or to perform better in their lives. Eustress is a term which enhances the productivity and efficiency of a person. So again I am telling that it depends up to the person that whether they are taking it as a stress or whether they are taking it as a eustress. Now, stress management. Nowadays, in the crucial or in the crisis, in the time of the crisis, it is very important to know the significance of stress management. The stress management can be done by doing various activity. The very first is yoga. All around nowadays we are hearing the importance of meditation and yoga. Yes, it is. Now then there's some indulging in some creative activities. If someone likes cooking, do it. If someone likes to play, do it. If someone likes to draw, do it. It totally depends. If someone likes to do the literary work, it may be the stress releasing activity. So there can be various reasons, and the thing is now you have to decide how or what are the activities which gives you inner satisfaction, which keeps you in a joyful position. Now, in this section of the video we have covered about the stress management. Hope you liked this video and pass it on